Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make content on your phone larger using the magnification feature on Android phones. So this is hidden features that an lesser Android user knew. If you want to use it, you can just go to the settings apps on your phone, then click on the search column or click on the search bar and just type in magnification or a screen magnifier. So it might be different on uh, each type of Android. You can just tap on magnifications if you found one. So you can see that the status is currently off, and to enable it you can just click on the settings. So by using the magnifications feature, you can quickly zoom in on the screen to make the content larger on your phone. Here you can also enable the magnification shortcut. Just click on the circle to turn it on. And here you can see there will be this button on my phone, and to use the feature you can just tap the accessibility button on your screen. And the magnification tab, you can adjust it. You can choose magnifying full screen, magnify part of the screen, or switch between full and partial screen. So I'm going to use this one. You can click on save, and here you can also magnify typing. You can magnify or follow text as you type. Here if you can also keep on while we switching apps. You can keep the magnifier on and zoom out when you switch apps. So to zoom in, you can just use the shortcut to start the magnification. This button's right here. Tap the screen and drag two fingers, let's see, just like this, like through fingers, and it will zoom in automatically, and you can just pinch with two fingers to adjust the zoom. Okay, just click on the red button again to stop, and you can use shortcut to stop the magnifications. And if you want to zoom in temporarily, you can just make sure that the magnification type is set to full screen, and use shortcut to start the magnification. Touch and hold anywhere on the screen, and then drag the finger to move around screen, left finger to stop the magnifications. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.